Good morning, one and all, and welcome to the video. My name is Saumil Shah, and a little bit of information about myself for people who are watching me for the first time. I did my bachelor's in electronics and double master's in electrical and computer. Currently, I work as a software engineer at the job target. I'm coming up with a very nice course for you guys where I'm about to teach you about Kubernetes, right? So yeah, it's very popular. It's you should definitely learn about Kubernetes. I would basically teach you right from scratch what Kubernetes is all about, how you can write your YAML file, how you can create replicas, what pods are, what nodes are, everything. I'm really very excited to teach you guys about everything in this course. So join me in learning Kubernetes, and here are the following things we are about to learn in this course. So what you need to know in this course is basically a little bit knowledge about Docker and containers, how everything works, and a general understanding about deployment and networking and software engineering. So as you can see, I have created so many slides. I'm gonna teach you about all of these things about container, pods, all of these. We are gonna learn how to install all of these things, how to get started with all of that. We'll write our compose file, we'll see the dashboard. So it's gonna be a really fun video. I hope you are excited to learn to learn about this. Join me in the next video where we would be learning right from scratch.